Mabuhay! What's up,
Good evening,
everybody?
Pilipinas. Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ngayon po, nandito na kami sa part 4 ng ating pagpapagawa ng ating extension ng ating bahay.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the YouTube channel with me and my co-host.
Madonna!
We're happy to share our extension of the house. It's going well. Very fast. It's unbelievable. So we on part what now? We on part 4. So without delay, let's keep going.
Wait lang, video pa ko kang send ka din nanay.